Hey guys, Mike Henry, Master Plumber and Rheem National Technical Trainer, and I'd like to take just a minute and inform you of a few new features on the Rheem ProTerra Hybrid Electric Heat Pump Water Heater. Now, first and foremost, we have top water connections, and we still have the side water connections, and if you want to use those side water connections, simply remove the existing cap and use that to cap off the water line on top. And furthermore, we've incorporated built-in duct adapters, simplifying the installation process when ducting is required. This feature is designed to make your job easier and more straightforward. Just bend the internal and external tabs into place and insert and then secure the duct in place. In addition to these great new features, the Rheem ProTerra Hybrid Heat Pump has the highest efficiency in the market and built-in Wi-Fi for EcoNet, allowing the homeowner to schedule operational modes and track energy usage. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.